Move-in ready. 1 block to the beach. Renovated first floor / 2-bedroom, 1-bath unit in quiet, private and cohesive 4-plex condo. Front exterior, locked, main door into building, leads to interior lobby and front entry doors to each unit, 2 upstairs and 2 down. Unit has a quaint front patio and back door to shared laundry room and backyard. New solid wood cabinetry in kitchen and bath, ceramic tile floors. Lawn care water included. Walking distance to Lowe's, restaurants, and shopping. Unit number 2 on first floor is also available for move-in on July 7, 18. It's the same, only in reverse configuration. Applicant, S, must complete BHHS rental application. No pets or smoking. Well-maintained building, West On-Site Property Management.